It's just garden variety rain here. This is going to come through during the overnight hours. And something else that I've been watching tonight, I've been noticing down to the south, there have been some like breaks in the overcast down here. I've been watching that on surface observations. So that leads me to believe that there is the potential for some breaks of sunshine tomorrow morning. And take a look. This is a brand new computer model I just loaded into the computer, and it is actually showing some breaks there. So we might actually get a little bit of morning sun tomorrow, and then we increase the showers during the afternoon. So afternoon looks like the better chance for scattered showers. And take a look at that back to the west. That is snow that's going to pile up over a foot in the western UP. Now, let's get into Monday, all right? So Sunday night, we have rain that increases. There could even be a rumble of thunder. But the big deal is once this low and that front pass by, that is when we are going to see the wind screaming from the west. Gusts could be to 50 miles per hour or greater. There is a high wind watch in effect for Monday. Now, through Sunday, these are wind gusts, projected wind gusts. Sunday, it's not a problem. And even when we wake up Monday morning, not a problem. It's not until that front goes through. Look at the sharp delineation there by late morning Monday. Look at that gusts, widespread gusts to 50 miles per hour or greater, at least based on what the computer models are seeing right now. So we'll keep an eye on that for you. And, of course, I'll update you tomorrow. But tonight, 44, the overnight low with the showers increasing. Maybe a hint of sun tomorrow morning, but showers in the afternoon, 60 for the highs. That's mild enough. You can handle that. There you see Monday. Temps are going to crash behind that front. We start mild, end cold, and we stay chilly all the way through the end of the week, guys.